All right, what is up, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. What I'm going to be doing today is, first of all, it's just a little bit of unboxing review on the Ruger .177 caliber. I got a 22 on the way, but they say the 177 will get the job done as well. The Airhawk Elite 2, and it's got about 12,000 feet per second, so that's pretty good because all I really do is plan on using for is like hunting squirrels. You know, I don't too much eat any other rodents. What I mean by that is like possums and coons and things like that. I don't too much eat those. I heard you can, but they're not on my menu. Let's flip her over. Give you a look at the back of this girl. Alrighty. And it just give you a little bit more detail, a little specs it have here. I gotta see what type of lead is it that I have, because the alloys is 12,000 and then the lead is only 1,000. But the lead is, I'm sure, is much heavier, and that give that a punch for that squirrel. You know what I mean? Any rate, it comes with the scope, but I don't know if I'm gonna use the scope because I don't plan on being that far from it. I probably just use these here, the fiber optic sights here, and it's adjustable. If I, I mean, that's pretty good. Even when it ain't too bright outside, them fiber optics light up pretty good with just a little bit of light outside. And the cool thing about this here, you got an adjustable trigger. Even though I got big hands, so the settings probably all right for me on that. But oh man, excuse me. Let's see, it comes with a nice little scope, 4x32, specified scope, specific scope. Anyway, folks, without further ado, let's go ahead and let me show y'all what's inside this baby. I kind of opened her up just a little bit, but I didn't finish all the way because I said, let me do a review on it before I get all the way into it. All right, let's go ahead and get to unboxing it here. Got another one. Let's see it here. On there. All right. Looks like we got a little bit of assembly to do, YouTube. But that's okay. Nothing wrong with that there. And as you know, this is a barrel brake. This is the barrel brake here. Quick tips if you want to read that. Always keep muzzle pointed in a safe direction. Read manual before using. Tighten stock screws before and during shooting for accuracy. Clean barrel before each use. 5 to open breech. Okay, that's just how you open it. All right, we ain't gonna look at that too much right now. Little instructions here. And since the scope is not mounted, we're gonna have to make sure she's all lined up and everything. But that's pretty much all to it, folks. And so this is a barrel brake. Yes, sir. I wonder if I should even use the scope. I don't even think I want to use the scope. I don't know. But yes. Let's see, how do we open this guy? Strike barrel with the palm of your hand to break it. Okay. Pull it against the eye with a firm grip to pull barrel down and use the springs engaged. Keep a firm grip on while loading. Okay, so they just said That ain't quite working, is it? Oh, there it is. I wasn't doing it hard enough. Good grief. There you go. Alright. Then what do we have here, folks? What is this here? What that comes with it? The rail mounts. Yeah, that's the rail mounts for the barrel. I mean, not the barrel, but for the scope. And like I said, I don't want to really take that scope out of there because I don't have nothing to really keep it clean at the moment. So I don't want to really open that up until I'm. Well, it looks like there's some caps in there. Let's go ahead and open it. Let's see. Look like there's some caps in there. Let's see what we have. That's not a cap, but I guess that's the cap. That's to keep it clean. So that's cool. Yeah, that's the caps to keep it clean. I can deal with that. I can live with it. Anyway, yeah, folks. So we're gonna go ahead and get her all dialed in, and that's pretty much the gist of it. I didn't pump any gas into it the first time there. It takes a pretty good swap on there, the barrel breaker, but y'all see what it is. All right, YouTube. See y'all back here in a minute. Once I get to hunting some squirrels, that's pretty much all I'm going to hunt with it as far as survival. The only thing I want to eat around here, I'm not eating no possums or no coons or anything. And I don't know about any kind of birds just around this area, but squirrels is always good. All right, YouTube. See y'all on the other side.